10 must-know gardening rules for growing carrots and parsnips together. Prioritize deep, loose soil. Dig beds 12 to 15 inches deep, remove stones, and add sand plus compost to create loose soil for straight, fork-free roots. Sow at the right depth and spacing. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep in rows, 12 to 18 inches apart, then thin carrots to 2 inches and parsnips to 3 to 4 inches spacing. Keep soil consistently moist. Maintain even soil moisture with light straw mulch, watering when top inch dries to prevent cracking, splitting, and rot. Time sowing for cool, even temperatures. Sow parsnips when soil is workable. Delay carrots until soil stays above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring germination without damping off. Rotate your root crops. Rotate carrots and parsnips to a new bed every 3 to 4 years, alternating with legumes or brassicas to disrupt pests. Amend with balanced organic nutrition. Mix light compost and bone meal for phosphorus, avoid high nitrogen manure, and add crushed eggshells to supply calcium. Monitor pests and diseases closely. Inspect foliage for pests like rust fly or blight. Apply organic controls using fine mesh row covers to prevent infestation.